Hello and good evening. We are tackling KJSEA trial assessment for the section 1, that is the multiple choice questions. Already I've tackled them, so you can just pause your video and cross-check the answers. You can just flip the other page. This is the second page. Next page, you can just see the answers clearly. I will not dwell much. And the last page for the multiple choice question. For the section B, I've tackled question 31, question 32. So my main objective is to dwell much on section B, which is a structured question you are required to describe or give detailed information. The first one, describe how can one can recover salt from salt solution. You evaporate the solution. Evaporate the solution to saturation to obtain salt crystals. A very brief excursion and you wipe your 2 marks. The next question, alcohol from water and ethanol. You need to get the alcohol, that is by fractional distillation. Carry out fractional distillation, where alcohol distills off since it has a low boiling point. Again, you have wiped and you have earned yourself 2 marks. Number 34, a question on the preparation of flower extracts, and you are needed to give the procedure. You just write in a paragraph form. It is a stepwise procedure. So we begin by, you crush the flower petals. In a mortar using a pestle. Next, you continue crushing while adding propanol, that is a suitable solvent. Next, decant the extract into a beaker. That is the procedure. You earn yourself 4 marks. Question B, application of acids and bases. In this case, you are required to give what is the function of a lime. Lime, first you need to know what is lime. Lime is calcium oxide, which dissolves in water to give the calcium hydroxide. That is a base. In an acid soil, it will neutralize or reduce the soil acidity. Reduce soil acidity or neutralize soil acidity since it is a base. Next question, a question on the excretion, where we have 2 organs given. We have skin, we have the excretory products, that is excess water for the skin, that is G. The skin excretes excess water and excess salt. So we have excess salt, not just salt, it is the excess which is not needed. We have kidney, it has excess water, excess salt, and also we have urea. So let me give a different answer to the first one. Next one, that is part B, a question on the STIs or the STDs and their characteristics, that is the symptoms and the signs. The first question asks 2 symptoms of gonorrhea in males, specifically males. One, it is painful urination, that is pain while passing the urine. Number 2, it is the inflammation of the foreskin. And the last one, we talk of the yellow or green discharge, but that's a common characteristic. Next one, name 2 other sexual transmitted infection the doctor is likely to have mentioned. You need to give another list of STI, you know. We have the genital herpes, we have the syphilis, we have candidiasis, we have hepatitis B, and lastly we have HIV and AIDS. Question 36, a question on the physiological activities in a cell. Question on osmosis. And we are given to give the observations at the head of the experiment. You need to check at the start. The water level, it has decreased. The salt solution has increased. Observation, what you can perceive using your five senses. The first one, the level of water in the beaker decreases or drops. This is because the potato cells gains water by osmosis, becoming turgid. Next observation, the level of salt solution increases. The explanation the same. The potato cells absorbs water by osmosis and becomes turgid. The same observation giving the same explanation. That is the approach. Thank you for tuning in. Kindly subscribe for the YouTube channel.